Hello dear friends, welcome to C++ tutorials with Jevizo Audio Official. In this video we are going to write a C++ program to check whether enter the number is odd or not. And before start, these are examples of odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Yeah, you can continue with add just 2, right? So as you see here, the condition is this. The number which is divided by 2 and remainder not equal to 0, right? That number is called odd number, right? Yeah, now to check whether the number is odd or even, we have to use that condition. Let us write a statement to ask a user to enter the number. Enter number like this, then entering. Yeah, now, but we have first of all to make a declaration of that number. Intake num. So now, after this, we have now to read this number by using sin statement. Like this, now we are going to check this condition, right? Yeah, if our num modulus 2 and remainder not equal to 0, like this, in that case we say that our number is odd. South number is odd. Number is odd. Then end line here. Now once they enter the number don't satisfy this condition, in that case we say that is not odd. We are able to use eraser here. Then South number is not odd, like this. You see them enter in here like this. Yeah, now let us make compilation of our program to check whether it's well written, and we can save it as odd. Then click on save button. Check for errors. You see here there is error. Which one? Let us check. Here we have to put here L, end line, right? Compression again. You see now there is no error, you can run it. Once you run your program, you have first of all to enter the number. Let us enter like 5. You see this number is odd because when you take 5 divided by 2 you get 1 as remainder, right? Not 0. That's why it tells us is odd, right? But when I run it and enter like 6 here, in that case our number is not odd, right? Yeah, this is what we're supposed to do, and this is how you can write this program to check if the number is odd or even. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.